You already know, man. It's your boy Bizzle from Brooklyn, New York, Bedford-Stuyvesant. I'm here to give a big shout out to the U-Rock tour, the homie Rob Curry at Day 26. I salute y'all. You know, they reached out to me for the tour, and it's like, to be a part of this tour, it means so much to me. You know, only if y'all know, it means so much, you know, because I work hard, and it's just being noticed, you feel me? Like, I'm being noticed, so I want to give a big shout out to them. And I feel like the U-Rock tour is a place for inside artists like me, you know, to get some exposure, you know, because a lot of people out here ain't going to listen to us, you know. And the U-Rock tour really took time out to do that. And I applaud y'all, you feel me? This opportunity is priceless. I promise to give y'all a great show everywhere we go. And remember my face, you know, Bizzle, I'm here to stay. I'm not going nowhere. I wanted to give another big shout out to U-Rock and the homie Rob Curry. Thank you again. I promise not to let none of y'all down. And I want to thank God and my mother. Salute.